Alright everyone, here we are with ticker symbol IDEX, Ideanomics Inc. And before we get started, I do want to state some things. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and let me know you watched it and found it very helpful. And as always, share this with your friends and community so that others can receive this insight as well. So this didn't move much. This actually turned out to break through the support level, get itself back up, and then kind of level out right where the support level was. So this is what's going to be interesting about this one, which is tomorrow. And why is that? Well, the 50-day moving average is actually moving sideways, right? It's not getting closer to the price. It's just hanging in there. So it's the bear's job to break through the new support levels and break through the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is 141. I'd write that down to keep that in mind, right? And let's move the support level to its new support level, which is 139. If the 50-day moving average is broken through and this support level, the bears are starting to gain the upper hand and they will bring it down closer to this area. Interesting enough that every time that happens, right? If it's whether for a couple of days or at some point like we saw here, then maybe something like this can start to happen for the next couple of days, and then all of a sudden there's going to be an exhaustion point and the bulls are going to reappear. So I'm not saying that if all these support levels in the 50-day moving average is broken through, the bears have completely destroyed the chart and won. But 139 is a key indicator of who's gaining control on this one. On the flip side of things, the support that the bulls want to create, which is by breaking this resistance level, is 170, and that would turn into a support. If the bulls are able to break through that, right, that can turn around this whole entire chart. But the zooming in and most important support level based off of what happened today and what you want to pay close attention to tomorrow is 149. 170 is the true goal to continue a bullish run because that's where this all started to fall from in the short term. If that can be broken through, that will change this chart completely further away from the 50-day moving average and start to move to new resistance levels. But in the zoomed in portion of things, 149 needs to be broken through first, tested, and used as support to continue a bullish run to break the new resistance levels. So that's going to be very important. This is going to be a very interesting one for tomorrow because the tug of war ended here between the bulls and the bears. We'll definitely have to see who gains the upper hand and see how it plays out tomorrow. As always, if you learn something new, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button to get notified because I post daily videos so you can watch my upcoming videos and content. I also suggest that you should watch the previous videos. My last two videos talk about key indicators about how you should always look at stocks and charts, right? One of them is a 13-minute one and the other one's about 6 minutes. And I explained in the 13-minute one some really good insight on about how charts can tell you the behavior of a stock and how sometimes that behavior can indicate something coming up in the near future. So I suggest you watch my video from yesterday on Ideanomics, and then the link to the previous one is in the description down below. I'd suggest you click on it so that you can learn all that information as well. Share this with your friends and community, and thank you so much for watching.